coming on. And we'll put that Rolls Royce to work now. Here it goes. Alright, we're going to lift straight up into what's called a hover, and simply moving, or not moving over the ground, is hovering up, going straight up, something only helicopters and vertical lift can do. We'll turn into the wind and keep going up a bit, and here we go.
Wow, holy crap, oh my gosh.
Now you're coming out in the bumpy time of day, you know, anytime after about 11 is hot and windy. So I expect it to be that way, a bit bumpy out, nothing crazy, just there. There's some zip liners out. Having fun on the classic zip line course.
Yeah, that was an option too, but you know.
Yeah. Yeah, if you do that, do it in the cooler part of the day maybe. Let's wave at them, that's how we wave.
Holy shit!
Have you all been to the Royal Gorge Bridge?
Yes, anytime.
All right, and since the fire?
Not this way. Yeah, I've been up since the fire.
Okay. All right, so you're looking at it at our 1 o'clock there. You can see the fire scar pretty well up here. It's 5 years old now. Doing about 100 miles per hour, climbing up to about 500 feet. As we go out there over the rim, we'll climb a little harder and get up to about 900 feet.
Oh my God. Wow.
Here comes the money shot, right?
Holy crap. Amazing. Oh. Wow. Oh my God.
Fremont County traffic, Tiger 5545 entry for runway 11, Fremont County. Fremont County traffic, Tiger 27, final runway 11, Fremont County. Fremont County traffic, jump ship 07, turning southbound along Skyline, climbing through 11,000.
You're going through so much, but I know that I could be the one to
Pretty day, isn't it?
Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous.
Pikes Peak's visible out there to the far distant 1 o'clock.
Fremont County traffic, Tiger 55.
We do tours up there as well. Already starting to book those fall colors flights. Doing 130 miles per hour, so we'll start slowing down. Get ready to land on that little bitty runway.
Fremont County traffic, Tiger 55, left base, runway 11, Fremont County.
There's your people in the truck.
Fremont County traffic, Tiger 27 solo, left crosswind, runway 11, Fremont County.
Well, what'd you think?
Fantastic. Woo.
traffic, Tiger 55, final, runway 11, 3 miles. Traffic, Tiger 27 solo, left downwind, runway 11, 3 miles.
Let's see, where do I want to park? Let me go over here. There's certain parts of this this pad that are bumpier than others, like, you know, having skids. If you set it down on one crack, it'll kind of rock back and forth the whole time. Kind of obnoxious. Welcome back to Earth.
That's amazing.
Glad y'all got to come out with me on such a nice day. Just a reminder not to get out on your own. Wyatt's gonna help you out. He'll open the door. Good to meet you. Thanks for flying.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.